Hey there, comic fans! Ever wondered where the epic world of comics really began? It's a wilder story than you might think. Let's take a super quick, super fun ride through the amazing history of comics. So, what exactly is a comic? It's that awesome mix of pictures and text that work together to tell a story. While humans have been using images to tell stories for thousands of years, like cave paintings and ancient scrolls, the modern comics we know and love got their start in the late 1800s, right in the pages of daily newspapers. Let me introduce you to someone special. Meet the Yellow Kid. Created by the brilliant Richard F. Outcault way back in 1895. This funny little character with his big ears and yellow nightshirt appeared in the New York World newspaper. He is often called the very first modern comic strip character. People went absolutely crazy for him. His adventures, printed in color, were a massive hit and kicked off a full-blown comic craze. But wait, what about actual comic books, not just strips in a newspaper? That's the next chapter. The comic book as we know it was born in the 1930s with a little something called Famous Funnies. This was basically a collection of popular newspaper comic strips, all bundled together and printed in a book format. And guess what? Kids and adults couldn't get enough. They were flying off the shelves. This proved that people were hungry for more than just a daily laugh. They wanted entire books filled with these stories. Then, everything changed. In 1938, the golden age of comics blasted onto the scene when a certain hero from Krypton flew into the pages of Action Comics #1. That's right, I'm talking about Superman. His arrival was a game changer. Suddenly, superheroes became the undisputed stars of the comic world. This single issue sparked an explosion in creativity and popularity, leading to the creation of countless other iconic heroes and villains we still celebrate today. Fast forward to today, and the world of comics is bigger and more diverse than ever before. It's not just about superheroes in capes anymore. Comics tell every kind of story you can possibly imagine. We've got mind-bending sci-fi adventures, hilarious comedies, thrilling mysteries, and powerful graphic novels that explore history, real-life struggles, and deep human emotions. From American comics to Japanese manga and European bandes dessinées, there's a comic out there for everyone. So, when you think about it, this entire global phenomenon, this massive universe of stories and art, all started with a funny little kid in a yellow nightshirt printed in a newspaper. Next time you pick up a comic or a graphic novel, just remember, you're not just reading a story, you're holding a piece of incredible history in your hands. If you love this trip through comic history, do me a favor and smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more fun facts and deep dives into the worlds you love. And I've got to ask, tell us down in the comments what was the very first comic you ever read. Thanks for watching.